looks really amazing.
Chehre.
Thank you.
Trailer looks really amazing. Tell us about something about the film.
Well, thank you for the compliment. First of all, I also received a couple of calls और जिन्होंने भी ये देखा वीडियो क्लिपिंग्स वगैरह, तो I am really keen to see that it gets a proper release and people see it. हम लोग को बहुत ही मज़ा आया इस फिल्म में काम करते समय, और जो फिल्म है जो कि एक साइलेंट एरा से टॉकीज में जाती है, ब्लैक एंड वाइट से कलर में जाती है, और जो इनकी फिल्मों के दौरान जो उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ के साथ क्या क्या घटना होता है, तो दैट इज द होल फिल्म इज ऑल अबाउट. इट्स अ ड्रामा. It's so many things put together. And I think you should tell more about this.
ड्रामा में ड्रामा, ये फिल्म है चेहरे. चेहरे में चेहरा, ये फिल्म है चेहरे. इसको लिखते लिखते हम ये सोचते थे कौन कहाँ का क्या कर सकता है. और ये खास बात तो इस बात की थी कि जो एक्टर्स भी थे वो खुद भी कुछ चीजें लगाते थे. एंड फैसिनेटिंग पार्ट ये होता कि फिल्म इवॉल्व्ड बिकॉज ऑफ एंड combined effort to express जो लिखा गया था. लिखना एक चीज होती है, उसको एक विजुअली लाना, इम्पैक्ट करना. जैसे सही बात निशा ने बताई थी पहले भी कि सबको इकट्ठा करना पड़ता है. म्यूजिक भी है, प्रोडक्शन भी है, आर्ट डायरेक्शन है, हमारा कैमरामैन है. वो सब मेरी जिंदगी को, मेरे नजरिए को देखकर जो एक खूबसूरती कंबाइंड लेकर आते हैं, ये चेहरे है. और चेहरे इज एक्सट्रीमली इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म की खाली ये ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टू कलर ही नहीं है जो आप बहुत देखेंगे टेक्निकली. आई बिलीव फॉर डेकेड्स यू कैन एंजॉय इट, बट ऑल्सो द फैक्ट कि जो इसमें जो हमने नरेशन दिया है कि इंसान के अंदर खुद मजबूरियां, उसके दर्द, उसकी खुशियां, उसके एक्सप्रेशंस, उसकी इनसिक्योरिटीज, वो है चेहरे. और चेहरे में बाद में जो ड्रामा होता है वो भी है.
राइट. तो उस एरा का जो लुक है उसको कैसे आपने ढाला?
रिसर्च, वर्क. ये सब काम करते करते स्टोरी बोर्ड बना के इनकी मेकअप के लिए भी था. क्योंकि खूबसूरती अच्छी लगती है, खूबसूरत वैसे हैं ये, इंसान भी खूबसूरत है, एक्ट्रेस भी अच्छी हैं और फैबुलस है. वो जो मेकअप पे ढलना था उस पीरियड का ढलना था. जो पेंट जॉब होते थे वो सब करते थे. कपड़े जो पहनते थे, रिंगलेस होंगे बाल में, कहाँ क्या जाएंगे, झुमके क्या पहनेंगे, वो भी मुझको देखना पड़ता था. सो इट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग. जो मेरी कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर है सोनिया ढींगरा, फैंटास्टिक वर्क, लवली.
See, a lot of research had gone into and a lot of things that Rohit had already put in. और उस वक्त जो पूरा एक लुक तैयार किया गया था, कैसे कपड़े पहनेंगे, कैसे मेकअप होगी, क्या उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या होगी और क्या होगा, मतलब कि इवन विद द एक्सप्रेशन जो हम लोग एक्टिंग, व्हेन वी सी अ फिल्म ऑफ दैट एरा टुडे and we know what it was, so we're trying to put in all as much as authenticity, as much as real as possible. And Rohit had already done a lot of research and जो हम लोग भी काफी कुछ डाल रहे थे, you know.
बात करने का भी तरीका अलग था उस वक्त. उसको ढालना भी कोशिश करते थे उसमें.
So how did you prepare for it?
Well, we rehearsed, we discussed, we decided कि हमको कैसे करना है पहले ही. और जब कॉस्ट्यूम्स हमारे रिहर्सल्स हुए, कॉस्ट्यूम रिहर्सल्स वगैरह, सो इट वाज ऑल पुट टुगेदर, एवरीथिंग हमारा जो है रिहर्स और रिसर्च करने के बाद.
और फिर -10 डिग्रीज में बाहर खड़े होके शिफॉन साड़ियों में शूट करना भी एक वो एक्सप्रेशन लाना.
That is a done thing in
the industry. I know. That's the life. That's life.
We've heard that Gulshan Grover gifted you a book to prepare for the film about.
Well, this is what I mean. One by one, a lot of people they incorporated in the film कि कैसे करना होगा, कैसे करना चाहिए, हमको ये करना चाहिए, ये फिल्में देखते हैं या ये किताब पढ़ेंगे या ये रेफरेंस है या वो रेफरेंस है. ये सारा हम लोग, you know, it was all between actors, between the filmmaker and the actors, the whole team. Music, it was going on. Music.
Yesterday at the music launch, he was all praises about you. What do you have to say about that?
Well, Gulshan is a dear friend, so he will have that extra praise for me.
Me too.
Thank you. But you know, for an actor, if you have well-defined character to perform, and the whole setup is all professional people, all professional actors, and trying to do the. Gulshan himself is so brilliant in the movie. He has worked as a silent admirer for this protagonist. Under very reserved, very respectful, जो dignified उन्होंने किरदार इस में दिया है, इस कैरेक्टर में दिया है, it's commendable. So everybody, even Divya Datta, you know, she is brilliant in the movie. She is so vivacious and she has this jealousy, you know, that जो पूरा उसको में everybody, Jackie, all of us, you know, so we have tried to do our best, and you know, so we all actually, a good performer feeds on to the other performances as well. हम लोग एक chain reaction हो जाता है.
और डायरेक्टर feeds on to the good actors on camera. सही में मैं कहता हूँ कुछ उनको करते वो हैं. कभी-कभी मुझे भी सीन करना पड़ता है जो जैकी बोले करो करके दिखाओ मुझे, तो मजा आता था. कभी-कभी इनके लिए भी कर देता था, तो वो भी तो ये सब इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एक कलेक्टिवनेस हो जाती है. That's success of a product.
Yeah.
The music looks amazing.
Yes.
At the music launch also.
Yes.
All praise about it. Tell us about it. How the music was happened and what all went into it.
See, basically, I can tell you about my bit. Rest is his. You know, everything, the way he has visualized and the way he is shot. I have thoroughly enjoyed. I have enjoyed working with him because he is so well researched and he's so glued into what he wants to say. So any kind of question I would have, he would have an answer to it because he had already done a research work. He's fully there. So it was very easy for me to perform this character because of his work that he had done, because of his preparedness, which he used to come while shooting. Now rest.
Thank you. The music के बारे में बोलूँगा. Thank you for all the compliments I get from my co-stars and my fabulous stars. Music was extremely important. मैंने काम किया जयदीप चौधरी के साथ, जो मुझे जैकी श्रॉफ जी ने मिलाया था, and he and I'm a music lover. I understand instrumentations. I understand कि कहाँ पे क्या इंस्ट्रूमेंट चाहिए, क्या चाहिए. बैकड्रॉप के लिए भी जब रिकॉर्ड करते थे तो मैं संजय चौधरी का बोलता था नहीं मुझे यहाँ पे यही चाहिए, ये कट कर दो, वहाँ निकाल दो, लो कर दो. तो वी वर्कड टुगेदर. जो म्यूजिक कंपोज करने के लिए उस वक्त का एरा का म्यूजिक लाना, आज सुनाना, उसको एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट पॉइंट होता है बिकॉज थॉट ऑफ म्यूजिक वेरीज नाउ, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन वेरीज.
Sir, stop.
Should I continue?
Now you can.
Okay. See, music varies. आज के ज़माने का जो म्यूजिक है वो बहुत डिफरेंट है.
How is it different from the current era?
But now it's not different because it's the same lyrical tone. Music never dies. Music lives. It is what is music comes from what we had before. जो आज भी ज़माने सुनते हैं, कहाँ से म्यूजिक आया है, उसको सबको ढल के कल्चरली, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन को ढल के कल्चरली. तो इसमें म्यूजिक में मैंने वो आलाप, वो गाने, वो फील, वो जैज़पन, वो सब मैं लेकर आया है इस वक्त इस फिल्मों में. वो रोमांटिक टेंडरनेस, वो आलाप जो शेर गुशा के गए हैं, वो सब लेके आए.
I'd like to ask you, you're playing an actress in the film.
Yes.
How do you relate with the character?
Well, you know, I can totally understand the emotions of this character. I could really understand the level of insecurity of this person, and it's a beautiful kind of a setup of, you know, जो पूरा ambience था, जो setup था. So that was really nice, you know, and being an actor, I could definitely understand what she must be going through. तो उस वक्त ऐसा हुआ होगा क्या कि हम लोग जो एक अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं उसी को पोर्ट्रे हम करते हैं. So
अभी सुन रहे थे हम 25 साल हो गए आपको इंडस्ट्री में.
हाँ
So
जी.
what, I think 25 years it's been. So what difference do you see in the film industry?
Well, I think a lot has changed and changed for better, and you know, it has evolved into much more open in terms of subjects, It has, we have different variety of cinema. It's no longer only an art house film and a commercial setup. There's a mixture nowadays. Also, I've seen art house film doing mega, they're crossing the big budget, successes also. So, आजकल जो है, it's people are watching different kinds of cinema, different genres of cinema. Filmmakers are making different stories. They're open. Plus, I think the audience also have started accepting, क्योंकि जो exposure television के दौरान और जो multiplexes में different kinds of film that has come, so even the audience are more open towards. It's not only going to be a kind of a Bollywood type of a thing कि sing and dance होना चाहिए और hero और villain और खाली वो type भी नहीं है. So it has a much more vastness. It's a time for a new filmmakers, for a different kind of cinema, and different kind of. And today everybody is so professional. Even the technical aspects, we see different, technically too, different. So it's a great time for Indian cinema.
I would like to ask Pallavi, tell us what compelled you to present the film, the idea.
When I saw the film, I was shocked. I thought it's some old movie and it's a Vajanti Mala. I have not seen this movie. But when I got it clear, no, it's Manisha Koirala and this Chaka, I was, my God, what a beautiful job there, and the posters, the design are so fascinating. And when I saw the movie, so it was like coming to the present and going to the past in the current scenario. Means I find it was a very challenging thing. The whole team had done, the director, the artist and everyone. So I also like to be a part of that challenge. So that was the USP of the film, coming to the black and white and the color. Then things which fascinated me more, the culture. The Indian culture they have presented on the screen in the current scenario. Again, I'll say, the carrying the saris, the elegance, the richness, the royalness, it was amazing. So that's the reason I tell you.
We enjoyed it.
How do you plan to market the film and the release and stuff?
That is a strategy. We'll step by step we'll keep informing you. But movie is very nice, and I know, and I'm 100% sure that it's really going to be very, very expectation hai audience ki from Manisha Koirala, the Jackie Shroff and the whole team is 100% this, and it's something very unique, which at the time with so many gizmos, so many latest technology people are using, or usme like we always enjoy the movies like Pakiza, Jahara, Mughal Azam. They are all time golden movies, and I think this movie is to that aspect.
Well, it's
Lastly,
great.
I would like to know your favorite actress of that era and also from the current era.
So many, that era we had Meena Kumari ji, Vaida Rahman ji, Nutan ji, I mean Madhubala ji, you name it. I mean they were like goddesses, brilliant performers.
Especially that song, that lovely Chand Bazi mein when you
Oh,
walked across. That period,
Yeah.
that star feeling of how they
Exactly.
move. It's fascinating.
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean, you did it so well.
So it was like fabulous,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
News 24.